name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the festive season is right around the corner and weddings का भी season है. So I thought of doing a jewelry haul. This video is all junk jewelry, fashion jewelry. तो इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा alloy set डाला है. I've tried to include some oxidized jewelry, some gold plated jewelry and some really nice pretty and chic neck pieces. And I really hope you like all of these pieces. And yeah, I have an amazing earrings set in today's video as well. Now all of these are from Flipkart and all of these cost below 400 rupees. So yeah, all of these are really reasonable, have very good customer reviews and look very pretty and gorgeous. So let's start with today's video. But before that, if you're new on my channel, I would request you to kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so guys, the first thing that I would like to show you all is the earrings set that I was talking about. So this is the earrings set that I got myself. So there are 6 earrings in this set and one of them I'm wearing presently. It's like a small stud जो बिल्कुल छोटा stud नहीं आता, थोड़ा बहुत shine करता रहता है. So that is the one I'm wearing presently. And there are 2 other studs in the set. So these 2 are like pearl and ये 2 heart shaped stud है जो कि gold plated है. And उसके अलावा the thing which I'm most excited about is that this set includes 3 hoops, which I happen to love hoops. So there are 3 hoops in this set. The first one is this one, which you can see these are like really big and will look so nice with the hair like tied up in a ponytail or in a bun. The next one is this pure chunky gold hoop. And the third one is this pearl one, which is like a half a hoop sort of a thing. So it's like not a complete hoop, but yeah, it goes around like this and finishes like that. So this is how the third hoop looks like. So yeah, this is the earrings set that I got myself. Got from this brand called Jewels Galaxy. So obviously I'm gonna be leaving the links of all of these amazing jewelry in the description box below. And यहाँ पे कहीं पे मैं screenshot लगा दूंगी and all the prices will be mentioned as well. I think this was for around rupees 350. I'm not really sure, मुझे भी exactly याद नहीं आ रहा है, but this was really a good deal because I got 6 really amazing earrings and the hoops are very pretty and बहुत ही ज़्यादा handy है. And तीनों hoops में ज़्यादा कुछ similarity नहीं है. All of these are like different hoops, you know, so I can really mix and match and use all of these hoops with my clothes. So I'm really in love with this earring set and I would definitely recommend if you're looking for like a good earrings set under 500 rupees, you can definitely check this one out from Jewels Galaxy. Now moving on, the second piece that I would like to show you is this one, actually the one that I'm wearing right now. So it is like a very basic German silver oxidized jewelry and I really like the neck piece. I am completely in love with it because I think it is giving this look an edge. Like I'm just wearing like a simple tank top and I've thrown in this shrug on top of it and मैंने ये joker necklace पहना है, लेकिन इस look को काफी ज्यादा जो है एक oomph दे रहा है. It's sort of just making the look like pop out and it's looking very pretty. And this is something which you can wear with like kurtas and tops. So it's all about, you know, matching it with the correct clothing. So I really like these choker pieces with something which is like a deep neck thing, like wearing this over your bare, you know, this neckline with a deep neck top or a tank top. So yeah, I really happen to like this. This is very trendy. इसके भी ratings काफी अच्छे थे. I think this has a 4.2 or a 4.3 rating on Flipkart, which is like very nice because it deserves that rating and I really love this piece. Now moving on, the next piece that I have for you guys is this very dainty piece, which is like a gold plated sort of necklace. So this is what it is. This is a leaf shaped very dainty chain. So this is how it looks like. यहाँ पे छोटे ऐसे leaves बने हुए हैं and this is gold plated. So इसको आपको बहुत ध्यान से पहनना पड़ेगा because obviously if you know expose it to too much air or to too much water, then this might turn black. But the reviews were great, so मुझे थोड़ा सा confidence मिला वहाँ से and I went ahead and I purchased this. So yeah, I really like how dainty and light it is. Like if I'm not in the mood to throw in something very heavy, then I might just go for something like this because I find this really light, बहुत हल्का है and this looks very pretty. Obviously I'll be throwing in some screenshots right here so that you can understand. And yeah, सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. इसके नीचे एक ऐसा डिटेलिंग भी दिया हुआ है विच आई फाइंड वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. नाउ गाइज, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस डेंटी chain, but the only issue that I have with this is that इसका नाम Flipkart पे is a Mangal Sutra set, which I didn't really understand. Obviously I'm not an expert, but I found that a little bit strange. But yeah, this is what it is, and this is, if I'm not wrong, from the brand called Dimiki. Obviously I'll mention the link in the description box, so in case you're interested you can go ahead and check it out from there. So guys, I've saved the best piece for the last. So the last piece is actually a set जिसमें आपको एक neck piece and एक matching earring मिलता है. So the neck piece is something like this. I think this is gorgeous. This is so absolutely pretty and I happen to love this. तो इसमें ऐसे pearls दिए हुए हैं and then there are like small fake diamonds around it, and I love it. This is beautiful and I think this will look amazing with anything ethnic, and also if you pair it with something which is western, but the right kind of western, you know, like you can wear it with something which is like, let's say, a white dress, and this will look absolutely stunning. A white knee length dress, and you throw this in and you will look absolutely amazing and gorgeous. The best part about this neck piece is that iska jo hook hai opening wala is this one, the one that I like. This is the kind of hoop that you get with this neck piece, which I'm really fond of. But for this oxidized piece and for this gold plated Mangal Sutra chain, you have this one, the S hook, which I am not really fond of, you know. I hope you can make out. तो मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है because ये ना खुद से लगाने में इशू होता है. For these S वाले hooks you need somebody to help you, you know, with putting it on. So that's the only issue that I have with this. Otherwise I love these two. But yeah, for this one I love कि इसका जो hook है बहुत ही convenient है. And yeah, this is like very very gorgeous. I think if you want to give your outfit an edge, I think you can just go ahead and add this to your look. And because of its color and because, you know, of its neutral color, it will go with maximum of your clothing. ऐसी pieces जब red color में या neon blue color में होते हैं तो obviously you can't wear those with everything, right? But with a color like this, which is like a normal neutral tone, this will go with a lot of outfits, which is why I picked this one. So yeah, I really liked this set as well, and it comes with earrings, matching earrings, जो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ. मैंने अभी तक इसको पैकेजिंग से निकाला नहीं है. So these are the earrings that you get with this. So this is your neck piece, and these are the matching earrings that you get with it. So I've really liked all of these pieces. So yeah guys, that was my jewelry haul for today. So I tried to throw in like different items for today's video. I showed you a earring set, I showed you this alloy jewel set as well, I showed you this gold plated dainty neck chain, and of course the one that I'm wearing, this German silver oxidized jewelry. I happen to love each of these pieces. They are extremely inexpensive, and I think for the festive season these are going to be great additions to your collection. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and check these out. The links will be in the description box. Guys, that was my video for today. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.